Mohit Bhatt as well as Adeeb and Shivam and Ankit also join us on the broadcast. Let me first go across to Adeeb. Adeeb, have the celebrations begun in Lucknow? We're told grand celebrations are being planned for the day.
Well, certainly, Pratibha, see, grand celebrations have been lined up in Lucknow. The parade will begin at around 10 a.m. But behind me, you can see that the jawans of the Indian Army, especially the Gurkha regiment, they are sitting over here. They all are taking part in the grand celebrations of the Republic Day. There are other people also, the common people who have come from different places to get a glimpse of the grand parade that will take place right here at the Vidhan Sabha. This is the Vidhan Sabha of Uttar Pradesh, from where the parade will pass through. Governor Anandiben Patel, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be arriving over here very shortly. But what we are learning is that at around 10 a.m. the parade will begin. And with me is the Jawans of the Gurkha regiment. So you can see that how these Jawans of the Gurkha regiment, they all are here. The Jawans, those who have been preparing and protecting our country, they all are here now taking part in the Republic Day parade right here in Lucknow, Pratibha.
Okay, all right, let me go across to Shivam as well to get us the updates of what could happen in Kartavya Path. We've seen the parade, the march that has been taking place, a lot of practice that has gone in as well, and this is a march that is going to be watched world over, isn't it, Shivam? It's a very special Republic Day today because on one hand, we are celebrating Atmanirbharta to say that India's military might is well and truly here. We are celebrating the success of Operation Sindoor, but it's also about the culture of the country, unity and diversity that we'll see today at Kartavya Path.
Exactly, Pratibha, and Republic Day celebration has always been about the blend of India's future potential that they have, and also the celebration of how far we have come to. Talking about the celebration in Kartavya Path, just few minutes from now you will see Prime Minister paying floral tribute at the War Memorial, paying homage to all those who have given the supreme sacrifice for the country. Then you will see him receiving the President, who will come in her buggy escorted by those Bay and Way, their Angrakshak on riding on those Bay and Way horses. And let me tell you, I've been there, so the sound of the footsteps echoes each and every part of the Kartavya Path, despite it being a very big place. So that is the one thing. Then finally, the 21 gun salute that happens, and let me tell you, for those 30-40 seconds, everybody there is absolutely silenced, feeling each and every gunshot literal to the goosebumps, and it raises emotion of patriotism in you. Then finally, Y formation, Dhwaj and flower petal showering that will happen through the Dhwaj formation that will happen all over the sky on the attendees who are coming here, and also on the guests there. And then finally, the band will come, the battalion band will come, creating a symphony in the entire place. And let me tell you, this entire place echoes with the symphony. You almost feel the patriotism coming in your chest. Your chest feels heavy, and you almost feel like you can stand and dance. Talking about dance, eventually there will be a cultural festival where participants from all across the nation, more than 2,000 participants from all across the nation, will be performing their cultural festivities, their folk dances. And this entire thing has been created by M.M. Kirwani, who is a prominent face from the southern industry, and the narrator of this is Anupam Kher, a prominent face from the Bollywood. In between that, we will see again, as you rightly said, the might of India. Those artilleries, from BrahMos missile to the aircraft to that powerful fly past, signifying Operation Sindoor, symbolizing our aerial dominance and operational logistic activities that we have demonstrated during the entire Operation Sindoor as well. Times Now has also spoken to various people who are going to be a part of that as well. So as you rightly mentioned, from culture, heritage to powerful artilleries, India will showcase its strength and its vision for the upcoming 2047, for the Viksit Bharat vision today at the Kartavya Path in just few moments from now. And everybody would be really excited, anticipating what all they got to see, because this is going to be a lifetime memory for each and everyone currently present there.
It's a memory that has stayed for people across the country to wake up in the morning and look at this parade. That has been our collective memory on Republic Day. every single year. People wait to watch this parade, and we'll come back to you, Shivam, for those updates in Kartavya Path. And, you know, on the mention of the changing geopolitics as well, the chief guests also tell a story of their own. The European Union leaders are here amid the trade talks that have been going on. So talking about the development of the country, talking about Viksit Bharat, apart from talking about the Atmanirbharta that we are going to see in our military might that we are already seeing, and the culture, there is also trade on the table. But let me take this across to Ankit as well. And Ankit, you know, while tableaus bring to life the story of India, the journey of India, it is also the day of celebrating the military might of the country.
Yes, absolutely. When it comes to the Republic Day or the Independence Day, this is the area where I am standing. This is the international border at the Araspura sector, where you can see 131 feet tall national flag is being unfurled by the BSF at the international border. I will talk to some of the locals over here. ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में हमने देखा था कि किस तरीके से बीएसएफ ने मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया. आप यहाँ के लोकल हैं, किस तरीके का जज्बा जुनून यहाँ के गांव वालों में है?
लोगों में काफ़ी जुनून था, क्योंकि पहलगाम अटैक के बाद लोग चाहते थे कि पाकिस्तान को मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया जाए. और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में हमारी बीएसएफ आर्मी ने काबिल तारीफ जवाब दिया पाकिस्तान को. काफ़ी ठिकाने भी जो ध्वस्त किए गए. लोगों में जुनून था और हमारी सेना ने वो कर भी दिखाया.
और आज क्योंकि गणतंत्र दिवस पूरा देश मना रहा है, किस तरीके से देखते, खास तौर पे उस जगह पे आप खड़े हैं जहां पे बीएसएफ ने मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया था?
अच्छा लग रहा है आज कि 77वां गणतंत्र दिवस मनाया जा रहा है. बीएसएफ जो आई साहब है, उन्होंने जहाँ फ्लैग होस्टिंग की, जवानों से मिले, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि पिछले जो 77 सालों से कल्चर बना हुआ था वो जहाँ पे अडॉप्ट किया गया आज.
कितने ज्यादा खुश है आप? बॉर्डर पे आप मौजूद है बीएसएफ के जवानों के बीच.
मैं तो अति ज्यादा जहाँ पे खुश हूँ बीएसएफ के जवानों को देख के, और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि इतनी आज यहाँ पे खुशी मनाई जा रही है, तो हद से ज्यादा खुशी मनाई जा रही है.
So you can see this is the jazba and the junoon of each and everyone at the international border. When it comes to the international border, these BSF brave hearts which have given a befitting reply to the Pakistan during the Operation Sindoor, when it comes to the ceasefire violation by the Pakistan, these are the one who gave the befitting reply to the Pakistan during the ceasefire violation. But today, all at the international border, whether it is the BSF, whether it is the army or the local people of the international border villagers, they are fully energetic because today is a Republic Day and they are saluting to the brave hearts at the border.
Absolutely, saluting the brave hearts and also declaring that this is the age of decisive self-reliant military prowess that has been proven during Operation Sindoor, and that's what we are celebrating. 150 years of Vande Mataram, the success of Operation Sindoor, all being displayed at Kartavya Path.